see. Go back.
May
you keep her for us for me.
What do you mean that?
White happy sling.
Okay. The condom, you cannot buy condom.
Me, even though say I get condom, I'm not the big one. What time you condom do? I want for customer.
The only customer that they use her for.
Me, I don't feel use condom fuck my boyfriend.
That they allow day, and that they the sweet part.
Even though I use and fuck you, I don't feel think about it because I know they get any feeling.
Maybe now.
If you dey fuck me with condom, I don't feel think about you. Because I know they hear the feeling. I go still be.
So now without condom, I ain't gonna feel the feeling.
I know even though say you tell me say you dey sick or come more, I don't go yes.
Maybe now.
Hello.
I don't hear you.
For your information. Not be me what fuck with that condom.
Me don't buy wait for you.
You feel use and fuck people when you dey work. First when you call her your girlfriend, you can use condom fuck her. That means say you don't love me. I'm not the case. I don't want the rest for my soul, my voice.
Can I hear for voice?
Bali.
Can I hear for voice?
That's the rest for my now.
Not only for sickness, so now for the other one now.
Which one? For belly?
Now.
They're not to remove belly.
If I don't get money for remove belly,
I go back to Citotech, I go use my kind drink. Me, I remove one get belly from Madrid last night. 2 months.
2 months.
That my girlfriend friend. His boyfriend travel and I get belly 2 months. So look, Citotech, that guy just get. I give her 8 with kind alcohol. He drink her. Before 3 hours, he don't come out. But that one, not be say I like him, but prevent. If you just stand up, you just eat any medicine, any drugs, you go just mess up. Go back that up, sleep away from me.
I don't go buy, I come down, go buy.
You go just sleep like that, you know, it concern me.
You said,
me, I know they do.
You said, know me, now go sleep like that.
Man, don't just come, oh. I know they come. Tell me, oh. Hey.
No, just come.
May I kukuma stay my house, oh.
It don't make me laugh.
May I stay house. I don't like her. I say I don't like something. They tell me say when you gonna make love with me. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of that? I beg you, I don't need that.
Okay, man. I hear you.
I
hear you, but you know, say if it enter my hand, no deal.
You go buy medicine. Wait for me. Go buy drugs. I record you want. Go buy that white happy sling. Then if I recall, I'll buy this thing. I will still buy estrogen.
Okay. But I just say if it enter my hand, no deal.
What is that one mean?
No, I just tell you now. Not say what that mean.
I know they come.
Let's see mouth.
That one is something when they tell me if you enter, your hand not there. So at the person will not get picky for my life.
You go get picky now.
Why when they tell me if man and woman they do one was pregnant, they know they do one. Me I tell you say I want born.
They do am.
I tell you say I want marry boy.
Hey, see what I tell you say you want marry. So if I say I marry you, I no agree.
I no agree.
You no agree.
I no agree.
You want just
see what you they talk. See the something when they talk for mouth.
So you want just fuck me and leave me?
I not agree. I not go marry. I not go marry now.
So you want just
now 5 years. I see if I want marry, if I never reach 26 years, I not the marry with any man.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't hear you.
Take care.
So you not go marry me? You want cut?
Yes, I want cut her.
What do you make you want cut for?
I mean, I don't want to tell you, say, if that your girlfriend come, you use condom make love with her. You don't tell me this thing. I better talk to me, my friend.
It's not this thing. I just pull your leg. Just pay you.
Just pull my leg. I don't tell you, say me not talk again. I don't like her.
Okay, I hear. I hear.
Please don't want me. Just the man. If I want to make love with God, I beg. No, I'll take water. Oh.
Which water be that?
I'll take water. You know they take water.
I don't know say man they take water.
Man, no they take water. You know they take woman water.
I don't know.
Nonsense.
So I don't.
Yes.
I don't know say man they take woman water.
Before we call, she release finish. She never take her. No, say woman water they make man skin the life.
They make waiting.
Man skin the life. It go that sweet. It go fine. Woman water. It good. Maybe it's the change water. That one where you get before you go see come out. Tell them.
Hello, they hear you.
That one where you get before you go see come out. New one go enter.
Hello.
Hello.
I don't know.
Okay now. I want to go down.
You want to leave me?
Call me around 4 o'clock tomorrow.
In the evening?
Yeah.
This girl say make I give you her number.
Who?
Noami.
Tomorrow you give me.
Like,
Oh,